Hi everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a plan with me. It's been a while. I haven't been filming them. I just haven't had a chance to edit, so I'm trying to get on top of that. But this is the planner I'm using this year. It is the Auto Business Planner from Officeworks. I'm using it's a timed vertical layout, so I'm really enjoying using that at the moment. I'm using the Planner Life sampler from Nati Planning, and I'm also using the a la carte large washi and deco sheet from the actual main large Erin Condren kit. So I just order that sheet separately. I think most of their kits are available a la carte, which is really nice. So I can just order the extra sheets I want to supplement the samplers, because I do actually like quite a bit of white space in my spreads these days, so I don't need a full kit for every week. So what I'm doing now is I'm just trimming down my large washi strips to fit my planner. They're fit for an Erin Condren, obviously, and my planner isn't an Erin Condren, but the columns are the same width, so I just have to kind of play with things very slightly to make them fit, but it's really no hassle at all. I just love this kit. It's so beautiful. I could use this every week and never get tired of it. I just love the colours. I'm pulling in some of my Simply Gilded washi here. This is a 10mm in the soft petal pink with the silver bows, I think. I can't quite remember. I've had most of my Simply Gilded washi for a while. So I'm just putting that in between the two strips of washi that come in the kit, just to make that section a little bit more full. I do have a discount code for Nati Planning. I am on their PR team, so if you would like 10% off your order, make sure to check the description box. The code is Danny10, but I've left it in the description box as well. So if you're placing an order, use that and you'll get 10% off. Nearly finished. Can you believe I'm actually voicing over a plan with me? I haven't done this for so long, but I thought I would come on and have a bit of a chat with you guys. It's been a while since I have actually posted a planner video. I've been pretty slack. These date covers are from the Good Morning kit, which is also from Nati Planning and is still in the shop. So that's a really beautiful kit as well. So I'm just popping my dates down and covering up those hideous blue dates in my planner. It's not too bad. I don't mind it. I do prefer the odd months that are, or I think, is it the odd months or the even months that are grey? It's a lot more neutral. The blue it's fine. It could be a lot worse. Popping in my weekend banner there. And I will start to fill out my sidebar. I do love that these samplers come with glitter headers. So I've just popped one of those in the top. And I'm going to start building up my sidebar once I take a photo of all the stuff I penciled in. I have actually, as I am voicing this over, it is early March, and I have used every single week in this planner so far. I haven't decorated every week, but I've actually written in my planner on every day and filled out every day in pencil since the year started, and that is that's a pretty big deal for me at the moment. I don't think I've done that for quite a while. So here you can see I'm erasing quite a bit of the pencil. I will go in and erase all the pencil and write everything in pen. I'm going to, from here on out, I'm going to just edit out all the clips of me erasing pencil because it's kind of boring to watch. So I've just put in one of the little scalloped checklists, and I cut another one in half just to fill in the rest of that space. I did draw some pencil lines just to guide me, and I'll come in and erase those in a little while once the pen has dried. Just writing in all my bits and pieces, my little lists there. As the year goes on, I'm going to utilize that sidebar for my study. So in the next few coming Plan With Me's, you will start to see how I use that for my study. But at this point in the year, my uni hadn't started back yet, so I was just filling it with lists and pretty full boxes. So now as I start to fill in my days, I am just going to play some music, and I will pop up on the screen where all the stickers are from. If I don't put a shop name on the screen, just assume that that sticker has come from the Nati Planning sampler or a la carte sheet. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.